This is a body kit for Land Cruiser LC300, LJ300, 2022-23 models, MD2 style. So this is a front lip, this is the rear lip. It's already painted. All the black pieces also, lower part is also painted black. You can see all the fins here. Reflectors are already integrated here. Rubber seals, mud flaps is also included. Some extra fittings over here. As you can see, plate holder, number plate holder is included for the long number plate, and this is for the exhaust muffler. If you have the tow hook cover, you can easily remove this plastic cover, and you can integrate the towing hook. So basically, that's the package. It just bolts on the VXR or GXR bumpers. If your bumper specs are basic, then you have to convert it first to the full option specs. Right, stay tuned guys. This is carmarka.com. Visit our website. If you have any questions, send us WhatsApp. We'll reply you right away.